Chief Cliff or Rabushi Ikenga Oberu, popularly known as Panteka, bid his father-in-law farewell at Mbana Okuzu Mbana in Oba in the 10 Million North local government area of Anambra State. Orugo TV was there to bring you the sights and sounds of the development. Let's go.
Panteka is leaving nothing behind. He's celebrating a man he loves so much, a man who was just not a father-in-law to him, but also like a father to him. So come with me.
Which has been said to redefine funeral parties in Southeast Nigeria, hosted all the creme de la creme of the society, especially of Igbo extraction. Of course, we have His Excellency Mr. Pitobi there. We also have CEO, Seahorse Oil, Chief Ebuka, and of course a good number of others who are there. Obi Cubana, of course, and other entertainers, socialites. The CEO of Teka Group happened to be from Oberu, Ancient Kingdom in Olu Artist of Imo State. Of course, it was shut down. See, continue watching the video. Enjoy.
I have not seen that before. This is number one. So far, number one. Very sorry. But you guys, it's something you describe, but if I say sorry, because it's somebody that you remember. How can you describe my second? A great last problem. A great last problem. Now we get to know your name. We get to know. Only able to take one.